I just want to share with you our brand new recliner for the front seating. It's replacing the 5-year-old pleather crap. The model is Aura by Seatcraft. Last year we bought their Diamante model for the rear seating. I bought 4 and we love them. This is the original recliner that we bought. It's pleather. They're crap. They start peeling after about 5 years of light use. Right here I'm giving you an example. I'm starting to assemble the seat. It's fairly easy. Actually, the only thing you need to put together here is the back support. Getting ready to install the base shakers for the 3 seats.